Nature Men. Most people know about the importance of vitamins in our diet, but very few people are aware that vitamins cannot function or be assimilated by the body without the help of minerals. Minerals help facilitate essentially all the processes that take place in the human body, including our mental functions. And though the body can synthesize some vitamins, it cannot manufacture minerals. That's why mineral supplements are such an important part of our daily diet, and why Nature Men is such a key component of our nutritional lineup. Nature Men offers generous amounts of macro elements such as calcium, phosphorus, iron, and magnesium, as well as trace elements like selenium and chromium. Calcium, of course, is absolutely vital for maintaining strong teeth and bones. It reduces the risk of bone fractures and helps prevent osteoporosis. Phosphorus aids in cell growth and repair and helps metabolize fats and starches. Selenium helps prevent various types of cancer and reduces the risk of heart disease. Chromium metabolizes sugar and helps prevent high blood pressure and diabetes. As a base for these minerals, Nature Men utilizes natural seabed deposits. This material was formed from mineral elements of plants and animals such as seaweed, shrimp, and algae. It's rich in nutrients and provides essentially all the elements found in the human body. When it comes to minerals, the form you take them in is just as important as the minerals themselves. Nature Men contains the latest chelated forms of minerals, meaning the raw mineral substances have been converted into a digestible form. Most mineral supplements are not chelated, so before our body can benefit from them, it must first convert them into a form it can use. Since our digestive systems are very inefficient at this conversion process, only a small fraction of minerals are actually absorbed and used by the body. Because they're chelated, the rich variety of minerals in Nature Men are readily usable by your system and can therefore